Hello everyone, today let's we know about the 20 snakes named just like Cobra, Viper and Python. First, Cobra. The cobra is a venomous snake found in Asia and Africa. It can spread its hood when it feels danger. Cobra's venom is very powerful. It is famous for its alert posture. Next, King Cobra. The King Cobra is the longest venomous snake in the world. It eats other snakes for food. This snake can grow up to 18 feet long. It lives mainly in forest. Next, Python. Python is a large non-venomous snake. It kills prey by squeezing it. Pythons swallow food whole. They live in forests and grasslands. Next, Anaconda. Anaconda is one of the heaviest snake in the world. It lives near rivers and swamps. This snake is very strong. It is not poisonous. Next, Viper. Vipers are venomous snakes with long fangs. They attack very quickly. Most vipers live on land. Their venom helps catch prey. Next, Rattlesnake. Rattlesnake has a rattle on its tail. It makes noise to warn enemies. This snake is venomous. It lives in dry areas. Next, Boa Constrictor. Boa Constrictor is a non-venomous snake. It kills prey by squeezing. It has a thick body. It lives in forests. Next, Green Tree Python. This snake lives on trees. It has a bright green color. It is non-venomous. It eats small animals. Next, Black Mamba. Black Mamba is one of the fastest snakes. It is highly venomous. This snake lives in Africa. Its bite can be deadly. Next, Brown Snake. Brown snake is very venomous. It is found in Australia. This snake is fast and alert. It often lives near farms. Next, Coral Snake. Coral snake has bright red, yellow and black colors. It is venomous but shy. This snake hides underground. It eats small reptiles. Next, Sea Snake. Sea snakes live in the ocean. They are excellent swimmers. Most sea snakes are venomous. They eat fish and eels. Next, Garter Snakes. Garter snake is small and harmless. It is not dangerous to humans. This snake eats insects and worms. Next, Red Snake. Red snake is non-venomous. It controls rat populations. This snake can climb trees. It is helpful to farmers. Next, Sand Boa. Sand Boa lives in sandy areas. It hides under the ground. This snake is non-venomous. It moves slowly. Next, Vine Snake. A vine snake is long and thin. It looks like a branch. This snake is mildly venomous. It lives on trees. Next, Water Snake. Water snakes live near rivers and lakes. They are good swimmers. Most water snakes are non-venomous. They eat fish and frogs. Next, Milk Snake. Milk snake is colorful and harmless. It looks like a coral snake. This snake is non-venomous. It eats small animals. Next, Wolf Snake. Wolf snake is active at night. It is non-venomous. This snake eats lizards. It hides in dark places. Next, Kukri Snake. Kukri snake is named after its knife-shaped teeth. It is not venomous. This snake eats eggs and frogs. It's found in Asia.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, share.